Hello, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who watch my channel will know that this is the first in what will be a series called Foxy Fri-DIY Day. On Foxy Fri-DIY Days, I'm going to run you through some projects that I've made using upcycled materials, scrap wood, basically anything to show you that you can make some temporary projects, maybe even projects you'll want to keep. These videos will be uploaded on a Friday. My usual turning videos will be uploaded every Tuesday, as always. So in this project I show you how I made a bathroom cabinet just using some scrap pallet wood and some spray paint. The spray paint was my biggest outlay, but I think altogether the whole project cost me around £10. It might end up as firewood, but for now it's something that I can put to good use. I would have done a few things differently. For instance, I'd inlay the mirror more, but my router bit broke, so I had to just leave it hanging on the front. It came out fine, I'm happy with it, and it's just to give you some ideas about what you could do yourself. Enjoy the project, I'll see you at the end for some thank yous. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments whether you liked it or what you thought I could have done differently. I did end up putting some bracing on the door. I did worry it was a bit prone to warping. It's quite heavy. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe in your workshops, and remember, stay foxy.